my channel. It's me, Roel Baltimore, and of course, if you are new here in my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, don't forget also to click or ring the notification bell so that you will be notified once I uploaded a new videos. And of course, for today's video, it's gonna be another unboxing of my Miss Belt, an instant hourglass shape. So if you want to look slimmer and sexy, this video is best for you, and please don't skip any part of it. And we will do the unboxing now, and we will review the benefits and what are the use of this Miss Belt. So keep on watching, guys. Welcome back again. So this is the Miss Belt. Miss Belt instant hourglass shape. So this is the product that we will going to unbox today. So if you want to become sexy, slimmer, sexy waistline, and with an instant hourglass shape, so this is the best for you. This one, Miss Belt. I bought it online and it's only 59 Qatari Riyal here in Qatar, and they delivered it yesterday. So we will going to unbox it now and do the review, and of course I will use also. So this Miss Belt looks slimmer, instant hourglass shape. Is you can have the appearance of a slimmer waistline and hourglass shape in the matter of seconds. Wow, really? We will try it later. If this is true, you can wear under or over clothing. See, guys, you can wear it over or under your clothing, same like this. The benefits of this Miss Belt instant hourglass shape is it can support your back, shapes your figure, and comfort fit. So you can wear it for any activity in your home, while walking, shopping, jogging, working at the gym, relaxing, or biking. So this is color black and medium size, but it can fit to small to medium size, guys. This one. So I will open it now because I am really excited to see it and wear it. One, small to medium size. It's color black. This is color black. One, Miss Belt, and with two straps, fit straps. Try it now. Add So this is the Miss Belt now. It's nice. See? there's an important message here at this one, the bottom of this box. Before using, Miss Belt is intended to be snug, not painful or uncomfortable. If you find Miss Belt to be uncomfortable, loosen the closure straps. This one. Always be sure that you are able to take deep breath while wearing Miss Belt. Miss Belt should never be so tight that you have difficulty in breathing. Miss Belt is for cosmetic purposes only, not intended as a weight loss product or for therapeutic use. Do not wear Miss Belt while sleeping. Don't wear it while you are sleeping, guys. Miss Belt is not a medical device, nor is it intended for use as such a device. Miss Belt is not a weight loss device, nor is it intended for use as such a device. Not used for any persons with diabetes. Do not use Miss Belt if you are or maybe pregnant. Yes, of course. So before you use, you must know that important message from Miss Belt. This is it now, the Miss Belt. I hope you enjoy and buy now this Miss Belt for to look slimmer and sexy. Bye-bye. See you on another video again in my vlog.